Unveiling the Shield, Understanding Sunscreen. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's not only vital for your health but also a great example of practical English language use. We're going to explore the word sunscreen, what it means, where it's used, and why it's such an essential part of our lives. So grab your shades, and let's shed some light on sunscreen. Sunscreen, also known as sunblock or suntan lotion, is a product that you apply to your skin to protect it from the harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays. There are two main types of UV rays, UVA and UVB. UVA rays can prematurely age your skin, causing wrinkles and age spots, while UVB rays can burn your skin. Too much exposure to either can lead to skin cancer. Sunscreen helps to shield your skin from these rays, reducing the risk and keeping your skin healthier. One critical aspect of sunscreen is the SPF, or sun protection factor. This number indicates how well the sunscreen protects against UVB rays. For example, an SPF of 15 means you can stay in the sun 15 times longer than you could without protection before burning. However, no sunscreen can block 100% of UV rays, and high SPF sunscreens do not offer significantly greater protection than SPF 50. The key is to apply enough sunscreen and reapply it every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating. Sunscreen comes in various forms: lotions, sprays, gels, and waxes, for different types of exposure and skin. Some are water-resistant, designed for swimming or exercise, while others are made for sensitive skin. There are also sunscreens that are broad-spectrum, which means they protect against both UVA and UVB rays. Using sunscreen effectively is as important as choosing the right one. Apply a generous amount of sunscreen to all exposed skin at least 15 minutes before going outdoors. Remember to cover often missed spots like the tops of your feet, your neck, your ears, and the top of your head. Reapply at least every 2 hours, and immediately after swimming or excessive sweating. In conclusion, sunscreen is your personal shield against the potentially damaging effects of the sun's rays. Whether you're at the beach, going for a run, or just taking a walk on a sunny day, sunscreen should be an essential part of your outdoor routine. We hope this video has brightened your understanding of sunscreen and its importance. Stay protected and keep learning.